All right, welcome to a video. We're looking at Bokeh in Photoshop here. So Bokeh, I think it's pronounced the right way, is the aesthetic quality of the blur produced in out of focus parts of an image. Okay, so you can see we've got some interesting effect. I'm going to try and do a super exaggerated effect just to see if I can get it to work properly. So let's do that. All right. So here's the image we're going to use. It kind of looks like it's already got it a bit, but let's see what happens if we do exaggerated stuff on it. In Photoshop, open the Actions panel. All right, and yeah, we need to find something in here. Locate this, which we have. Now go to Windows Brushes with the gradients as well, right? So yeah, you can find this. I don't know. Yeah, if you haven't got Adobe, you probably can't find it. Maybe you can. I don't know. The Creative Cloud, I mean. Right. Open an image file. Okay, so we've got all the things. So the Bokeh one. Let's just make sure we only see the Bokeh one. Step 1. From the action, select step 1 and press play. Paint an outline around the subject you want to highlight with Bokeh. Anywhere you paint, Bokeh effect will appear. So it automatically sets the sparkle stock hard round brush set to 175. Then you can press stop here. This is weird that you can't click on it unless I press stop, right? If I press stop, it's not going to work, right? All right, we want to. All right, let's just press stop, see what happens. So we're going to draw the Bokeh all around this dude. This is going to go off because he's right at the bottom. Just maybe true if I can include that. Yeah, that kind of looks right. It looks like the picture, to be honest. The larger the brush size, the smaller the size of the Bokeh will be. Once you've drawn your outline, select step 2 and press play again to finish applying Bokeh. Ah, interesting. Okay, I like that actually. Go to your history panel to pick an effect and change the look of the Bokeh. You just want to put it in there. Why can't I just not move the panels? All right, I guess we're doing it this way. I like that though. That is cool, right? What else we got here? The rest seems to be something else. Yeah, because it's basically doing like a bunch of things. I've actually, you know what's funny? And I might show you this at some point. This is something which is like basically doing this action stuff. This is something they've been doing in Photoshop for like 25 years. And I actually went out of my way to buy books from 25 years ago when they actually first started doing this. This is like, I can tell this is like way more advanced than when they started like 25 years ago. But I actually have the actions from many, many years ago. So I might actually compare it to what they were doing originally because they were doing stuff like this before. I can tell this is like obviously way more advanced and stuff. But yeah, that's pretty cool, the Bokeh effect for sure. I think you probably need to do it maybe a little bit. Yeah. All right. So if we let's choose the contrast. Okay. To further adjust the look, go to the top layer. Yeah, you can see. So if you look in the layers, right? I wonder why it doesn't. You can't see anything in the actual little boxes there. But you can see just how many things are being done. It's basically like a complex set of operations. Um, go to the top layer and turn on and off the color grading, Bokeh color, and Bokeh brightness. So we should have the Bokeh in there already. There you go. So the Bokeh's got a bunch of stuff. Yeah, got it. Look on the mask next to any Bokeh color layer. So this one, right? Yeah, interesting. That is cool, actually. Like, why is there nothing in this picture? That's so annoying, right? I want there to be little things in here. This would have been about the midground Bokeh. Interesting. There's actually the mask is applied on the background and midground. Yeah, as long as I can see like as long as I can see like a little bit of it, that's cool, right? Um, this is not looking how I want it at all, but we're getting there, right? Because eventually, like I could just do this, right? And we could just move that over a little bit, and then we could have like a bunch of different ways of doing that. That'd be the way to do it. Actually, you know what? I'm actually going to yeah. What was it? Load the brushes provided with this action by going to the brush panel. Yeah, I got it. And go to the Bokeh brush. Bokeh brush, please. Where's the Bokeh brush? Do I have it yet? What do I have? Let's go for the extra large one. Okay, yeah, you just draw with the Bokeh brush. Well, if I do it directly on the background layer, right? You obviously shouldn't really do this, but I mean, yeah, you'll get crazier effects if you do it that way for sure. Kind of shows you when you do it directly in the background just what you're getting with it. It's just like basically, it's just like almost like a random dot of any color just appearing. Pretty cool though, right? So yeah, that is going to do for this video. So thanks for watching.